In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up footage using the denoise node in Nuke. Noise can creep into your shots from low light, high ISO, or heavy compression, and the denoise node is a fast, reliable way to clean that up while keeping your image natural. Let's walk through it clearly and carefully so you get clean results without losing important detail. First, add a denoise node. With the node graph active, press tab to open the search box, type denoise and hit enter. This drops a denoise node into your graph, ready to go. Now connect your footage, take your read node or any image you want to process, and plug its output into the denoise node's input. View the denoise node in the viewer so you can see its effect as you work. Next, set the channels you want to denoise. By default, you'll usually process RGB, which is ideal for most shots. If your noise is mainly in brightness, consider targeting luminance. If you're dealing with compositing edges, you can also target the alpha channel, but be cautious. Over-smoothing alpha can soften edges more than you want. Adjust the strength to control how much noise is removed. Higher values produce a cleaner, smoother image, but too much can polish away texture and fine details like skin pores or fabric weave. Start conservatively, then nudge the slider up until the noise subsides without the image looking plasticky. For finer control, tune the patch size and search radius. Patch size sets the area the algorithm examines for each comparison. Larger patches can smooth bigger blotches but may blur subtle detail. Search radius defines how far the node looks to find similar patches. Increasing it can improve denoising on complex textures, but it also costs performance and can smear motion if pushed too high. A good approach is to make small adjustments, zoom in 100 to 200%, and judge the impact on edges, textures, and skin. Use the viewer to preview your changes, press D to toggle the denoise node on and off, and compare before and after. This quick A/B is the best way to keep detail in check while removing the noise that actually distracts. If you only want to denoise specific areas, use a mask. Connect a mask input to the denoise node. White reveals the effect, black protects the original, and gray areas blend between. Soft, feathered masks help transitions feel natural. That's it. With smart channel targeting, balanced strength, and thoughtful patch and search settings, you'll get clean, professional results while preserving the character of your footage.